all the business activities, whatever investment you do, everything is directed towards customer. So until and unless the customer makes use of the product or service, the business will not get revenue. We all know what is planning. Planning is nothing but bridging the gap between the present and the future, or you are deciding today what you want to be in the future. So you can have a proper training session to the employees to keep them updated about the CRM tools and also the new latest CRM features. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session 1 of Unit 3, we will be having a discussion on planning for CRM. Now let us understand what we mean by planning for customer relationship management. So companies that prioritize customer retention strategies demonstrate their commitment to customer satisfaction, which in turn strengthens customer trust. So building such enduring relationships is not only about financial transactions, but also about understanding the customer needs deeply, leading to personalized and exceptional services. So we all know that all the business activities, whatever investment you do, everything is directed towards customer. So until and unless the customer makes use of the product or service, the business will not get revenue. So it will be the duty of every business to take care of the customer. Now, in this planning for customer relationship management, we are aiming to have a wider customer base. So in order to have a wide customer base, what are the various ways in which you can have a customer? And then what are the various ways you can have the customer retention and how you can have customer loyalty. So all these will be the basis of the discussion in this third chapter. So these lasting connections are fundamental to fostering a thriving and sustainable business, enduring a strong position in the market and a loyal customer following for years to come. Therefore, companies should have proper CRM plan. So if they have a proper CRM plan, they will be able to have a wide customer base. So CRM planning is a strategic approach that companies use to manage interactions with current and potential customers. So it is one of the strategies used by the company to have an interaction with the present and customer and also the past customers. So it involves implementing technology, processes and policies to analyze customer data and enhance relationships, ultimately boosting the sales, customer satisfaction and loyalty. So the main aim of having a planning for CRM is, so you implement the best use of technology. So whatever CRM software you have, you implement the technology and you have the processes and the policies to do what? To analyze the customer data. So you study the customer data and enhance the relationship. See that you have an enhanced relationship with the customer, ultimately boosting the sales. So in the long run, your sales will be increased and there will be increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. So when you have a satisfied customer, ultimately you will be having a loyal customer. So this is a cycle through which you have to plan. So planning for CRM is, in other words, you have an analysis of the customer data and then you plan for the process, the policies, technology, what technology you are using, and try to see that you have a wide base of loyal customers. Then what are the steps in the CRM planning? So we all know what is planning. Planning is nothing but bridging the gap between the present and the future, or you are deciding today what you want to be in the future. So today's activities will lead you to your goals. So let us understand what are the steps in the CRM planning. It involves several key steps that are crucial for the successful implementation, and these steps are detailed in the following paragraphs. So what are the steps in CRM planning? First one is define business objectives. So clearly articulate your company's goals and objectives for implementing the CRM. So we have to just specify what are the goals and objectives for implementation of the CRM. So identify whether you aim to improve customer satisfaction, increase sales, or optimize communication channels. So in this objectives, you have almost 3 types of objectives. So what are the 3 types you have? So first one is to improve the customer satisfaction. So this may be one of the objective. Second one is increase in sales. Third one is to optimize the communication channels. So how do you make the best use of the communication channels? So this will be the 3 main objectives of the CRM. Defining clear objectives provides a roadmap for your CRM strategy. So once you make your objectives clear, then you will be able to chalk out a strategy for CRM. So next one is understand customer segments. So analyze your customer base to identify different segments based on demographics, behavior, and purchasing patterns. So next step is to understand your customer. So how do you understand your customer? So our customer understanding can be done on the basis of demographics. Now what do we mean by demographics? So it refers to having an information relating to the customer. So to what age group he belongs. So what is the gender of the customer? So what is his purchasing power? What is his income? What is his disposable income? To which geographical area he belongs to? So all this will be a part of the demographics. Then next one will be the behavior. So how the customer has behaved when he has purchased from the company in the past. So what is his past history that we can study, and also the purchasing patterns. So how he will be purchasing when he comes for repeat purchases. So all this can be analyzed in this second step. Third one is understanding these segments allows you to customize your CRM approach, tailoring interactions and services to specific customer needs. So when you have an analysis, when you study your customers deeply, you will be able to have customize your CRM approach. So based on the customer's needs, you can have the CRM. So tailoring the interactions. So what are the interactions you have? And you can see that the interactions are tailor-made to suit the requirement of the customer, and the services also to specific customer needs. Then third one is the CRM solution. So conduct a thorough needs assessment to list down the features and functionalities you require in a CRM system. So next step will be you have to have a list of the features and functionalities you need in the CRM system. Now you have the CRM system. So next you have to make a list of what are the features and what are the functions you need to do. Consider factors such as contact management, sales automation, marketing tools, and data analytics. So in order to have the features and functions, you have to have a consideration of contact management. So how do you manage the contact between the customer and the company? Sales automation. So what is the sales automation you're having? What is the marketing tools and the data analytics? Evaluate deployment options on-premise, cloud-based, hybrid, and choose a reputed CRM vendor that aligns with your business requirements and the budget constraints. So you can see that with the help of all this, you will be able to provide a CRM solution to your strategy. Then fourth one is manage data effectively. Cleanse your existing customer data to remove duplicates and errors. implement robust data security measures to protect customer information, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations. So whatever data relating to the customer the company has, it will be the duty of the company to take care of the data. So they should have proper security system in order to see that the data does not get stolen or it does not land up in the hands of the hackers. So seamless integration with other tools like email platforms and accounting software ensures smooth data flow and ensures CRM efficiency. Then the fifth one is customize the CRM features. Customize CRM fields, forms, and workflows to match your specific business processes. So, how do you customize it? You have to see it based on your business requirements. You have to decide the CRM field, the CRM form, and the workflows. So, when you tailor the system according to your industry and customer interaction, ensuring a personalized experience for both employees and customers. So, when you have this, you can have a personalized relationship between the employees and the customers. So, this enhances user engagement and overall satisfaction. So, in this way, you can have user engagement and overall satisfaction. Then next one is train users thoroughly. So how do you train users? Provide comprehensive training sessions for employees to familiarize them with CRM tools and functionalities. So employees should be properly trained in knowing to familiarize them with the CRM tools. They should be familiar with the CRM tools and the functionalities of the CRM. Focus on practical usage scenarios, ensuring that employees understand how to use CRM features in their daily task effectively. So they should be able to know how to make the best use of the CRM task effectively. Regular training updates can keep employees informed about new features and best practices. So you can have a proper training session to the employees to keep them updated about the CRM tools and also the new latest CRM features. Then the next one is test and ensure the quality. So conduct pilot testing with a small group of users to identify any issues and gather the feedback. So whenever you are making use of the CRM tools, you have to first test it on a small group of people and then collect their feedback, and you can also identify any of the drawbacks in that particular test only. So address these issues promptly to enhance user experience. Perform quality assurance checks to ensure the CRM system is free of bugs, errors, and usability issues, guaranteeing a seamless interaction for all the users. So when you have an experiment with a small group of people, so they will be telling you what are the drawbacks of the system, and in the long run, if you can just rectify that, you can ensure that there is a seamless and interaction with the customer. You can have a proper interaction with the customer. Then implement in phases. Roll out CRM implementation in stages rather than imploring NutriCare launch. Start with the 2-year experiences and make necessary adjustments. Gradually expand implementation to the entire organization, minimizing disruption and a smooth transition for all the users. So this CRM implementation can be taken up step by step. So whatever the steps you have, so slowly you can see that the entire organization is involved in the CRM application. Now, the next one is monitor performance and gather the feedback. Define key performance indicators to measure CRM effectively. Regularly evaluate CRM performance based on these KPIs. Additionally, gather feedback about their experiences with the CRM system, analyze to identify areas for improvement, and implement the necessary changes. So you can gather the feedback and make the necessary changes. Adapt and scale. Continuously assess CRM effectiveness based on changing business needs and customer expectation. Update the CRM system, incorporate new features, technologies or integration that align with your evolving requirements. So ensure that the CRM solution is scalable and capable of accommodating growing data users and increase customer interactions as your business expands. So you can make the best use of the CRM by adapting the CRM and scaling it according to your requirements. So in the long run, you will be having a wide customer base. Then the next step in the planning the CRM is building customer centricity. So in the previous class, we have studied about customer centricity. Let us have a relook here. Customer centricity is a business approach that prioritizes delivering exceptional customer experiences and meeting customer needs and preferences at every touch point of the customer journey. So customer centricity means the customer is at the center of the business, and whenever he has an interaction with the company, take care to see that he has a positive experience with the company. So you are delivering exceptional customer experience. Try to see that he gets a very good customer experience and you meet the customer needs and preferences at every touch point. So whenever he has an interaction, so he should have a very good experience with the company. In a customer-centric organization, customers are at the heart of all business decisions, strategies and operations. So the customers are there at the heart of all business decisions, strategies and operations. The main focus is on building long-term relationships with customers by understanding their requirements and addressing their concerns and exceeding their expectation. So how do you gain customer centricity? So it is by understanding the requirements. What does the customer exactly, what does he need? What are his preferences? Then addressing their concerns. So what are the issues the customer has and how do you resolve the issues, and exceeding their expectation. So you should first know what are the expectation and you should offer them more than what they are expecting. So if you can have all this, you are building customer centricity. So the steps in creating customer centric culture are explained in the following paragraphs. Now, how do you have a customer centric culture? The first one is leadership commitment. Lead by example, showcasing customer centric behavior at all levels of the organization. Leaders should communicate the vision of customer centricity, emphasizing its alignment with the company's mission and values. So they should be, the top leadership should support the customer centricity. They should know that customer centricity is in alignment with the company's mission, vision and the values. The second one is employee training and development. So provide comprehensive training programs focusing on customer service, empathy, active listening and problem solving skills. So we should also, the first step is the leader should have a proper commitment towards customer centricity. Second one is employee training. So employees should be given training relating to customer service, how they can provide best customer service, how they can have empathy with the customer, active listening, how they can actively listen to the customer, and the problem solving skills. So what are the various problem solving skills they can have? Then encourage continuous learning, enabling employees to refine their customer centric abilities. So in this way, you can have a proper customer centric employees. Then third one is empower the employees. How do you empower the employees? Grant employees decision-making authority to address customer needs promptly, eliminating unnecessary bureaucratic handles. So whenever they have a complaint, so you should give the customer, the employees, the decision-making power to handle the complaints on their own. So if they are able to resolve it on their own, that will be very good because issues can be resolved in a faster way. Support and recognize employees who excel in delivering outstanding customer service, reinforcing the importance of customer-centric behavior. So the organization should support all those employees who show customer-centric behavior. Feedback such as surveys and comment cards, post interactions, analyze this feedback to identify patterns and areas for improvement, involving employees in devising effective solutions. So you can see that you can empower the employees. So when they have a proper empowerment, they will be able to resolve issues easily, and in the long run you can have customer satisfaction. So open communication channels. Foster a culture of open communication within the organization. Encourage employees to share their insights, concerns, and ideas related to customer experiences. So you should have an open channel of communication within the organization wherein the employees can just say what their customer experience are. And in this way, the concerns and ideas relating to customer experiences can be shared within the entire organization. Promote cross-departmental cooperation, breaking down silos and ensuring a seamless customer journey. So we should ensure that the customer has a very good customer journey within the organization. Then fifth one is set clear customer-centric goals. So define the KPI. So what are the KPI? Key performance indicators like the NPS, the Net Promoter Service, and the CSAT score. Regularly measure and discuss these metrics. The employees' evaluation and awards directly. So emphasizing the significance in individual and team achievements. So when you have the KPIs, so with the help of the net promoter score and the CSAT, you will be able to know which employees are giving the customers the best satisfaction, and in this way you can just support them and reward them. Then incorporate customer stories. Share positive customer stories and testimonials internally, allowing employees to emotionally connect with the impact of their work on the real customers. So if the customer has a positive experience with the company, then share such stories within the company along with the employees so that the employees have an emotional connect with the customers. Create customer journey maps visually representing customer experience and guiding the decision-making process. So we can see that we can have a better customer experience and it will help in the decision-making process. Then next one is celebrate customer successes. Organize customer appreciation events and campaigns involving employees in activities that express gratitude towards the customers. So you should organize events and campaigns in such a way that employees are involved and they should express gratitude towards the customer. Allocate specific days for employees to interact directly with the customer, gaining valuable insights and understanding their needs firsthand. So there should be a one-to-one interaction between the employees and the customer so that they will be able to gather more information and insight into the customer. Then adapt and iterate. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate customer-centric initiatives, collect feedback, adapt strategies based on evolving customer needs and market trends. So you have to adapt and iterate. So this proactive approach ensures that organization remains responsive and adaptable to maintain a customer-centric culture over time. So in order to have a customer centricity, you need to have all these 8 points in the organization. Then the next topic is the relevant issues while planning the output. So what are the relevant issues? the CRM planning and implementation level, series of strategies, steps and processes aimed at managing and improving interaction with the customer. So a detailed explanation is given below. So in this, the first issue is the ensuring data accuracy and quality. So how do you ensure data accuracy and quality? Focusing on accurate and data is paramount. Implement stringent data validation process and re-audits to maintain the integrity and quality of the customer information with the CRM system. So the first step is data accuracy and quality. So what is the kind of data you are having? So what is the data you have, whether it is accurate, whether it is up to date? So everything has to be checked. Then second one is integrating with the existing systems. Seamless integration with organizational tools is essential. So whenever you are having a CRM base, you have to see that it is integrated with the organizational tools. Plan integration strategies meticulous facilitate smooth data flow between CRM and existing systems, preventing and ensuring a unified view of the customer data. So when you have an integration of the CRM with the existing tools, you will be able to create positive customer experience with the customer. Prioritizing user adoption and training successful. So how do you prioritize the user adoption? So it relies on user adoption. So invest in comprehensive training programs and support to encourage employees, ensuring they are proficient in using the CRM system. See that the employees know how to make the best use of the CRM system. Then addressing customer privacy and data security. So protecting the customer and ensuring compliance with protection laws are critical concerns. So we have to have proper security measures and control safeguard customer information and maintain compliance with the regulations. Then customization and scalability. CRM systems must be customizable to unique business needs and scalable to accommodate the growth. So you should see that the customer CRM system is customized and accommodate growth. Choose a flexible platform that allows easy customization and assesses its scalability regularly to adapt to changing business requirements seamlessly. Then ensuring mobile accessibility. So with the prevalence of the mobile devices, CRM accessibility on smartphones and tablets is essential. So we have to see that the CRM has a responsive design dedicated to mobile apps, so allowing the CRM data on the mobile service devices. So you can see that whatever data you have relating to the customer, it is on the mobile app of the sales rep. So he will be in a better position to understand his customers. Then leveraging data analytics and reporting. So actionable insights are crucial for decision making. Select a CRM system with robust analytics and reporting features and implement data visualization tools to transfer data into meaningful insights and also strategic decisions. Then effective cost management, proper budgeting. So develop a detailed budget plan that encompasses implementation. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.